Turn the sleeve into a straight horizontal position. Create a cube and drag it to the center of the sleeve. Increase, select the face and pull it out. Scale down a bit, rotate on 45 degrees. Use multi-cut tool to add new edges. Make it look more or less like a forearm. Then extrude this face out. Add a line here. Select these two edges and press bevel. Then select these two faces and scale them up. Select the middle edge and press bevel. In Attribute Editor, change the quantity of segments and increase the fraction. Move the faces to make a simple shape of a palm. Select these 4 faces and press Extrude. And check Keep Faces Together in the Attribute Editor. Scale down a bit, then pull the faces out. Select these faces and press Connect, then repeat the same steps 2 times. You can always press 3 to see how it looks smooth. Here will be a thumb. Scale up the outermost faces of the fingers, otherwise they're gonna look too sharp. Using soft selection, move the fingers in random positions. Select the object and press Smooth. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the hand. Select these faces. Invert selection and delete. This is gonna be a glove. Select the object and press Extrude. Select the outermost faces and extrude them out. Add a line here and extrude these faces. The hand is done. Now I want to place it in another position. Select the hand and glove and press D. Holding V, drag the pivot to the same position as we did for the sleeve. Now you can select all these objects and rotate them back to the original position. Holding V, drag the duplicates to the opposite vertex. Go to Channel Box, find Scale X and a minus in front of the number, and rotate the object to correct position.